All right, everyone, welcome to our Hot Ones Challenge. This is Jashawn McKinley. I picked Jashawn because I think it's going to be funny. So, Jashawn, why don't you tell them one fun fact about yourself before we get going and want to kill ourselves?
Not a very, very big fan of hot sauce, but it's gonna be lit.
What's the hottest you've ever had so far?
I say like I had a hot chip. Did the hot chip challenge. That's probably.
Do you throw up for that?
Almost.
I've had a whole Carolina Reaper pepper for $50, and I definitely did throw up like 7 times. So that's gonna be fun when it comes down to like here. Okay, want to dive in? Just start off.
Yeah.
Oh. First one, not that bad. That's actually really good. Okay, question number 1, Jay. You're a football player, right?
Yep.
That is already kind of spicy, though. That was gonna suck. What made you love football? And why do you play the position that you play right now?
The first reason I played football was like 3rd grade. Had one of my coaches come up to me. He's like, "I see you at the good running back." I'm like, "Okay." So he took me to the first practice, and I did terribly bad. It's not good.
What made you terrible?
For the first part, I kind of ran the opposite way.
What?
I didn't get the sport, you know.
Yeah.
And so this like one night, like the weekend, he took me to his he had a pool house and taught me the basics basically.
Yeah. Cool. I had a kid one time in soccer. He's like, "Mitchell, what direction do we go?" Like, "Well, you're on this side of the field. Everyone's looking that way. I'm not going to answer this. You can figure it." He didn't like that answer, though. First one, not bad. I feel like we can do this.
Yeah.
We can do this. Number 2. This one looks happy.
But
Bliss and vinegar, yellow bird. I don't taste anything.
me either. I think the first one was harder than that one.
More. I did too. You want more?
Let's do it.
Yeah, that's kind of hot. Not really though. We're at like Frank's Red Hot level right now. He's already hitting the milk.
Oh wait, I should probably drink water first.
It don't matter to me. I don't care how you do it. I don't know the science behind it. Question 2. Ready? Who is the most genuine person you know, and why are they that way?
Genuine.
Genuine, not fake.
I would say I say Coach Music.
Music?
Yeah.
He's a cool dude.
Yeah, I say Coach Music because he'll make things, he'll say stuff to you that makes it seem personal, but you know deep inside it's not. That makes sense.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like music a lot. See the coach who brought you to the pool party?
No, it was Coach Mitchell.
Gotcha. Coach, that's me. I knew you'd like Coach Mitchell. All right. What are we at? Hoff's sauce. That seems weirdly German.
Are you ready?
Go for it. I'm glad they're done. I was worried that they weren't going to be done. But they are.
That one wasn't bad either.
We're cruising. These are good. Are you more of a boneless wing guy?
For me,
No.
I like the leg better.
Same. I'm gonna start this too. Okay. Oh, I'm just not looking for it.
I can't look at that either.
Oh, the milk is so good. All right. So you use your Snap Story like all the time, and I always see that you're always like telling people reasons to believe in Jesus and all that stuff, which is super cool. So, for a lot of people, it's really difficult for them to muster up the courage to go tell someone about Jesus or even talk about what they believe at all. But for you, it's easy. Why is that so easy for you?
All right. Well,
that's like a superpower.
Well, it started out like, believe it or not, it went to here, and then this whole quarantine, I went to TikTok. And then there's this one guy that said stop. And then I stopped. He was like, I know, you've been running away from God for a little bit. And then that got my attention. And then I liked the video, and then all of a sudden you see like a fluster of like Christian TikTok. Then this one guy, his name is David Laddie.
David Laddie?
Laddie, yeah. Now that
Follow
guy,
David Laddie.
that guy, he just like inspired me to the max to like post stuff and not be afraid about it or be ashamed.
That's good. So TikTok does work. It's not just the dumb social media that I think it is. That's good. Yeah, it's always all over your Snapchat. So, good job. All right, next one I think is going to be good because anytime I've seen these videos, they say this one's the best.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Well, there's some of the other sauce on it. I've got to pick my right spot. That one is good.
It's like sweet.
Uh-huh. We didn't put enough on these.
Talking no water.
It's happening. That was weird. Once I got a lot of it, it's like, it is sweet. Alright, my eyes are starting to... You ever have your eyelids sweat? Me neither, but I feel that. Careful around your eyes, too.
Oh, yeah.
You'll die.
For real.
Alright, last year, you went on a ski trip. How was that?
Last year was fun. For the first time.
Yeah. What would be... So, did you learn how to ski good? What level? Like beginner, intermediate, expert level?
I'll say intermediate.
Advanced.
Yeah, because I kind of ran into this kid, this man's granddaughter, and he said, "Do you really not know how to ski?" I'm like, "No." He's like, "Here, let me teach you." So he took me to the very top.
So he didn't just yell at you and cuss you out? Because that has
he did
happened.
that at
okay,
first.
I was going to say.
He did that at first. He's like, "Come on, you just hit my little kid." I was like, "Okay." He's like, "I'll take you up to the top," and I was afraid of heights. Like, he took me to the top, and he's like, do the pizza style thing.
Yeah, pizza.
Yeah.
And French fry.
That's how he taught me. That's how.
So, what advice would you give to the ski trip people this year who've never skied?
My advice is start with the bunny slope. Don't listen to the older kids because they try to get you to go to the very top and you be walking down.
I'm trying to kill you.
Yeah, literally.
Be like Zoe Alexander broke her arm first hill. Ugh.
Oh no.
If you get hurt, I'm sorry. You're ruining my day. If you get.
Hey, that's on you.
Yeah, it's true. Ready to move on?
Yeah.
I think now is whenever it starts to get hot. Which is bad, because my tongue is already hot. This one is Hotheads Official Revolutionary with scorpion peppers.
Oh.
I've never had that, but it sounds gnarly. That one's pretty good, actually. You like it? You like that one?
No, I felt this thing as soon as it hit my tongue.
That's like back of your throat now. Yup. We got a sleeper. Alright, so on this show, they always do something where they take your Instagram and they show you a picture that doesn't make any sense and they make you explain it. So, I went to your Instagram. No posts yet.
Hey.
He's just a creeper. 91 followers. It is hot. But you do have... Sure you don't want to try it, Micah?
I'm fine.
You do have your profile picture. Explain yourself.
I was feeling myself that day.
The side of your forehead?
Oh yeah, I was feeling myself. That was in 8th grade. And then I got a new haircut.
What grade are you in now?
I'm a
You
sophomore.
sophomore?
Yeah. I got a new haircut and a new hoodie, which was pink. So
You gotta show it off.
Yeah.
With pink?
That was pink. Oh my gosh.
My tongue's really hot.
It's my lips.
Ready? What's this? Yeah, Senor Lechuga. Coolest name by far. Adobo black lime ghost peppers. Oh no.
Goes.
Cheers. I see chicken feather stuff, whatever. I'm like. They'll taste pretty good. Like up front. But they just get freaking hot. I knew this would get good.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Here, scoop all those in that trash can down there. What color milk guy are you?
Red, I guess. Cause this red one is busting.
Okay, next couple questions. Burkhart, help me figure these out. It's in my nose. Sorry, that's probably gross. I don't care. Okay, you're a kid. What did you get applause for after you do something? So like you did something and your mom's like, "Oh, good job, Jashawn."
What?
Think back.
Like a prize or just?
Like approval. Like you did a really good job eating that wing. Well done. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For me, it's just a quick, good job, son. Go out about it.
What would you do? I can't talk. I'm like stuttering. What would you do whenever your mom would say something like that? Like, would you do the chores without asking? Make your bed?
Oh, she said like she'd be like, I'm starting to see that you're finally that responsibility is starting to kick in.
Starting to be a man.
Oh my! I
Don't
touch my eyes.
touch your eye, dude.
Yeah.
Use this.
Oh no.
These are pretty freaking hot. Ugh. Sweating?
Nope, not yet.
Hey, McVick or mowing? Shout out.
Hey,
Logan McVick.
for real. Hit him up on Instagram too.
Hit him up on Instagram. He mows the best lawn around.
For real. For real.
All right, almost done. 4 more.
Oh. Yep.
You're getting there. Chili, what? Chili lengua? Batula fire. This is the one that looks just terrible. So let's eat it.
Let's go. Whoa, nah.
It's like I can't.
Yeah, that wasn't bad.
This one was. Never mind. It gets bad.
I think
coming?
that was the best out of all of them.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm really
I just
disappointed
tasted
in
the
that
pepper.
one.
I was like, oh no. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Wasn't as good as I thought it
Sweet.
was gonna be. I think I'd actually use this one though for other stuff.
Oh yeah.
I think I have to do this whole thing again with my cousin in like 3 weeks or 2 weeks.
For real.
Yeah, my stomach is starting to feel weird. So you get the gurgles? You getting the gurgles in your stomach yet?
Not yet.
All right. Who's your best friend? And what does that relationship bring to your life?
I say my best friend probably be like Caleb.
Mm-hmm.
Caleb Moore. I say the reason why it like benefits.
I don't feel too good.
I say
Sorry.
I say because like hypes me up sometimes. At the lowest point, you know?
Mm-hmm. It's always good to have that guy to go to when you're struggling.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this next one, I am incredibly not excited for. This is one that everyone hates. The Bomb. Normally the Bomb Beyond Insanity, but they changed it to Bomb Evolution. Which I don't know if that's hotter or not. But whenever you're talking before, my head started tingling. And like, couldn't hear anything. I'm not making that up.
Oh, no.
So, this is the worst one of all of them. That's a lot. I took a lot smaller bite on that one.
Me
just
too.
in case.
Ah!
That was sneaky on me. Holy crap. I'm gonna throw up.
That's hot chip. That's the hot chip.
That's hot chip level?
Yep,
This one?
Yep.
Dude, I don't feel good. 2 more.
Oh my.
You come to Cherry Lot. What's your reason for coming to Cherry on Wednesday nights? And what has been the most impactful thing that you've gotten from it?
From Cherry?
From Cherry.
I say,
Oh my god. I stop. Sorry.
I say from Cherry.
You say what?
Cherry.
I can't even talk.
Cherry's been impactful. Because I learned some stuff I haven't learned before, and it's like a refresher. But
dude, that one was that was bad.
oh my gosh. Oh, look at this one. I'm starting to sweat now.
Feel it right up here. It's just sitting there in my gut. I think I'm gonna throw up after this. Oh! No! All right, you ready? Oh, I don't think I can do this. I gotta do it. Ready?
Okay. Let's do the question first.
No, you can't. You can't. Give me that. There's a trash can. I'm gonna die. You can keep the trash can on this side. I literally might throw up. Ugh. Oh my gosh. It's in my tear! Oh no. Oh.
I'm just trying to keep the milk in my mouth. No homo, that's on it.
Oh. It's in my eyes. How? How is it in my eyes? Oh my gosh. Oh. I can't see. One more. All right, Jay. You not getting in your eye? I don't know how it happened. All right. What's the most embarrassing moment that you're willing to share with the world? I can't see. I'm gonna go blind.
I don't know.
Most embarrassing. Surely. Surely got something.
Oh wait, I guess one day in middle school,
Yeah.
you know, we changed our clothes, PE clothes. Well, I forgot I didn't change it to my shorts, so I walked out.
And you're underwear. How do you forget to put pants on at school?
Hey, Good thing, like, the concert's over.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, we got one more. Oh, so most embarrassing was walking out in your underwear.
Mr. Groves saw me. He was like, hey, you think you're forgetting something?
Something important.
Oh, no. The last dab, Apollo.
You know what they do, right?
What?
We got to do it. They put more on the last one.
What you mean more? What? No.
You don't have to. You will be judged. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna barf.
Oh, that much more. Not like the whole bottle more.
No. This is worse than I thought it was gonna be.
Yep.
I literally thought I was gonna throw up that last one.
This one.
It's coming.
Yep.
Alright.
Ancestors be with me.
Ancestors. Cheers. It's sour.
Oh! Ah!
I feel like whenever I ate that. You need this?
Yup.
Oh my gosh. Hurry. It just hit me. For some reason this worked the other time. Oh, I don't know why. Make a mask out of. You good? Alright, last one. While you're dying. That's the point. Purpose of Life by Jashawn McKinley. What were you put on this earth to do?
To make disciples.
Man. What does that mean? Can you explain that?
It means
I'm gonna put my phone in like
bringing people to Christ.
You good?
Yeah.
I think I'm holding it in.
I think I'm.
You could try this other side. Which one do you think was the worst?
That's what.
My mouth is watering. Okay, good job, Jashawn. We did it. You did all the questions. I never want to do this again. I'm probably going to at some point. Because it's pretty fun still. I can't see very well. Not really. I'm suffering pretty bad. But, so why'd we do this? Cherry Startup. I forgot all about it. Cherry Startup is on just January 12th. Wednesday nights for middle school, high school, 6th grade, all the way to senior. We won't make you do this unless you just really want to.
For real.
But
it's torture.
Oh,
that burp didn't sound good.
No, it did. I got a trash can here now. But give it up for Jashawn. You did it. That's a wrap. Good job. See ya.